Hey guys, welcome back. We have another episode for you today. This is a Corvette C6, C7, and this is where the battery is stored in the back under the hatch thingy. And they don't give you a lot of clearance, and the battery's kind of heavy, so we're going to show you how to get it out of there. Alright, so what we've done is we've taped off the terminal so that way we don't short out the battery, because this is a metal object. Alright, so this is a new battery that's going in. This is the old one that came out. And what we did earlier was there was a vent cap right here on the positive side. And we replaced it over here. What we're going to do is once we stick it in, there's actually another pipe for venting, in the event. There's a vent hose that connects to this side. Just something to keep in mind. You want to do that again?
So there are three connections here. First, you're going to have your negative is going to go to the negative post. Then this, fuse adapter, whatever this is, goes on top of here. And this positive hooks up to that. And then there's a part of this that hooks up to the positive post. So there's three connections to do.
Fine.
You got? Oh, you're not going to get?
See, the tip's got Loctite.
What do you mean?
It's like a glue that keeps it from rattling out.
The positive terminal cover off. I use this screwdriver here. There's a tab here.
All right, so for this bolt right here, you have to turn this nut in. It's not a self-setting kind of system.